So t and t cancel because we take the common time. So this is V1 and V2. And for the given medium, V1 is constant, and for any other given medium, V2 is constant. It means it becomes a ratio, becomes a constant. So hence sine of I divided by sine of R is equal to a constant, and by Snell's it becomes a mu, or it becomes, we can write it as a 1 mu 2. So in this way we can easily prove the law of reflection, law of refraction. Okay, and again remember one more thing, this is for from rarer medium to denser medium. It means कि when a wavefront travels from, when this plane wavefront travels from rarer medium to denser medium, so in this way the diagram is, and the proof of this law of reflection is. Now for second case, that is the law of refraction, when a plane wavefront goes from denser to rarer medium. Denser to rarer medium. Proof of law of refraction by using the Huygen's wave theory, but in this time the wavefront travels from denser medium to rarer medium. The proof is almost same, but the diagram is little different, because in this case here whatever the velocity is V1 in the denser medium and velocity in the rarer medium is V2, and here V1 is less than V2. So it means if we take the common time, then V1t is less than V2t. So हमें ये थोड़ा सा ध्यान में रखना है कि यहाँ पर जो डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करेगा एक वेवलेट डेंसर मीडियम में वो कम होगा, और जो रेयर मीडियम में होगा वो ज्यादा होगा. तो आइए देखो डायग्राम से देखते हैं इसको, कि सपोज हमारे पास ये एक डेंसर मीडियम है. लेट बी ड्रॉ